guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be opening my BoxyCharm. Here it is. I have been subscribed to BoxyCharm probably for like going on a year already, and I can tell you that I'm always excited to open my box because I always get something different. The products are good, they're full-size products, and for the price that you pay, which is I believe only $21 or $22 per month, you definitely get more than that in the box. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and as well don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell so that you know when I go ahead and upload some more content. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and open this BoxyCharm. All right, so we have our little card here that tells us everything we have in it and the prices that they are. So the first little goodie, see all the little goodies. First thing I see is a Lippy, a holographic lip gloss from Appeal, and it definitely has a nice pretty shimmer to it. Let me go ahead and open it. It's pretty, it's really shimmery. It's not tacky, but it's a little bit thick. It's not really smooth. So I will definitely try this one out. I'm not too much of a lip gloss kind of girl. I do prefer lipsticks and lip liners over any lip gloss because I don't like anything sticky or that might have like a weird taste to it. But I'll go ahead and give that one a try. Next thing I have is the Luxie brushes. This is a set of 3, and let me tell you, I think in January or December's box I got another set of Luxie brushes, but they were very much smaller, but they were great for anything. Here we go. Here are the 3 different ones. We have a large shader, a small shader, and a small contouring brush. They're really soft, so I can't wait to try these. Hopefully they blend really good. And yeah, so if you want to see a look with all the stuff that I got from my BoxyCharm, comment below right now, comment the word Boxy, and I will go ahead and make a video with using all the things I get from my BoxyCharm today. Next thing I have is a Body Graphic Bali Bronzer Eye Pencil, and it's a nice, it looks almost copper. It's so pretty. Let me see. Yeah, it's like a copper color. It's an eye pencil, so that'll be a really pretty lower lash color. It has somewhat of a shimmer to it, but not too much. Next thing I have is the Artiste Couture. This is a diamond glow powder, and it's a loose powder, a loose highlighter powder. Let's see. Look at that. That is beautiful. It is really pretty. Look at that. Next thing in the box I have is a Pure Eye palette. It's called Festival. It's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. And here are some of the colors in the back. Such a pretty box. Let's see. These are the colors. Oh, they're beautiful. They are amazing colors. Let me go ahead and swatch them for you. The first one I'm going to swatch is called Free Spirit, and I believe this one looks kind of like a highlighter as well. I'm going to go ahead and put this one right here. Kind of have to get a lot so that you can actually see it. I don't think you can see that very well. You see it down here? So it's a good highlighter, but you definitely need a lot to actually see it. The next one is a Psychedelic. This one's like a gold color. see if I can put it somewhere. That's not gonna work. Another pretty gold. Next one is called Good Vibes. It's like a darker orangey, burnt orange color. You can see that. Really pretty. Next one is Peace. It's more of a brown, a deep brown. They're pretty shimmery, so you probably will have to pick up a little bit more so that you can actually see the color. Next color is Epic. This one's a flat, okay? This one's kind of flat, but it looks orangey. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's really flat. Next one is Gypsy. It's really pretty shimmery purple. Oh, right here. Excuse my burnt bruises. That's a really pretty purple. I love it. It's nice and shimmery. Next one we have is Wild Child. This one's hot pink. Definitely hot pink. So if you love those hot highlighter colors, this is definitely your go-to. Wow, look at that. Those two colors together are really pretty. Next one is called All Night. It's another matte. It's a flat, but it's a darker brown. It's pretty. It kind of might be a little bit blotchy. It looks like it's coming out blotchy on my skin. I would definitely need to try it on with primer and on my eyes and see how well it blends with the brushes, but here it does look a little bit blotchy. Next color is Hidden Desert. It's another pretty, kind of like a burnt orange. It's not shimmery, it's kind of flat as well. Let me see if I can make some space over here. Next color here I have is Sunset. It's a nice little peachy color. Oh, definitely would need more of that one. It's a nice peach, but it's really light. Then, next one is called 24 Karat Magic. Kind of like that song. Let's see with this one, how well this one works. Do you see that? Do you see this? Oh my God. I live for glitter. I live for glitter. This is amazing. I just want to put it on right now. Next color is Fireworks. It's almost the same as 24 Karat, but it's a pinky color. I don't need to stick my middle finger out, you guys. Look at that. Those two colors are everything. Literally everything. Oh my God. Guys, if you really want me to do a look with these products that I got in my BoxyCharm, go ahead and comment below right now the word Boxy, and my next video would definitely be a look with these colors. Definitely these two, because these are to die for. So I love everything I got in my BoxyCharm box. You're getting good products. A lot of them say cruelty free. This one, it comes with an eyeshadow primer. Look at that. That is too cute. Definitely can't wait to try this out. Guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell so that you can get notifications whenever I upload some new content. Thank you guys so very much. I love you guys, and stay tuned for my next video.